Where is this and what leaves of these?
Going up.
Oh, they're Otis. At where is this? But we'll do a cap view anyway. Wow, it's really nice and fast. Where is this? We'll have a look at the evacuation map on level 38.
North. Going down.
Where is this? Okay, so 71 Eagle Street. We'll go back to the ground floor.
Going down.
Could someone let me know what these originally were? That would be great. Here's the DDA panel, which is mounted just on that wall, on the back wall there, which is very interesting. But it's been a mod of Otis. With Dewhurst US 95, uncoloured. Oh, my ears have popped. Here we are.
Ground north.
And